In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can take an ordinary Dollar Tree spider decoration and attach it to an outdoor light and make it a spooky, awesome creature feature for your Halloween decorations. It's definitely starting to look spooky. Now check out this step-by-step guide on how I put this together. You'll need the spider from Dollar Tree, tinsel stems, really long zip ties. Primer, I wouldn't suggest paint and primer, but it's what I had. A selection of acrylic paints, whatever kind of colors you want to go with. Some kind of spray on clear coat. Also, if you're using spray paint, you want some kind of personal protective equipment. Spray paint is kind of nasty. And to color changing light bulbs, these are pretty cool and pretty cheap. I ended up doing 2 coats of primer. When I got to the acrylic paint, I just kind of used my imagination. You know, I figured I wanted it to be a creepy black spider with red eyes, and I wanted to add some accents, and I just kind of went with this swirly pattern, which I think turned out pretty cool. And I finished up with a clear coat to protect the paint, and it gives it kind of a nice shine because I felt like the acrylic was kind of flat. Now I figured the spider needed a little bit of more dimension to it, so I wanted the legs to be kind of furry, and I took these tinsel stems, hot glued them to the bottom, and just wrapped them around the top segments of the legs. I had a basic white light bulb in there, so I'm just going to take that out and clean this up a bit. Don't worry, I didn't evict any real spiders in the process. Now I've got the new color changing bulb installed. To attach the spider to the light, I just made sure the zip tie was long enough to wrap around the light, and I did one on the top and one on the bottom. Now I did this with a wall light, but you could actually probably attach these to a solar light or anything like that. That would be kind of a cool look if you took a bunch of solar lights and put spiders on each of them. I may have to try that in the future. There we go, pretty easy, spooky decoration. You can even change the light colors and have a little spider rave. And if you enjoyed this project and you want to see more stuff like this in the future, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Let me know in the comments if you have any other ideas for Halloween tutorials and stuff like that. Thanks, peace, love ya!